Creating a budget involves several key steps to ensure you have a clear understanding of your income, expenses, and financial goals. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create a budget. Gather financial information. Collect all the necessary financial information, such as pay stubs, bank statements, credit card bills, and any other relevant documents that show your income and expenses. Calculate your total income. Add up all your sources of income, including your salary, freelance work, rental income, investments, and any other regular income you receive. Track your spending. Review your bank statements and receipts to understand your spending patterns. Categorize your expenses. Assign each expense to specific categories. For example, categorize your grocery expenses separately from entertainment expenses. Budget for savings. Include savings as a part of your budget. Saving money is crucial for achieving your financial goals and building financial security. Creating and sticking to a budget may take some time and effort, but it's a valuable tool for gaining control over your finances and working towards a more secure financial future.